Yeah, that's right, Chris. Not everybody's going to see rain and thunderstorms, but where we do, they could be very strong to severe. In fact, we have one severe thunderstorm warning across the area right now. What I do want to mention, though, is everybody, as you mentioned, Chris, it's possible anywhere. Tornado watch in effect for pretty much all of central Texas, even up into North Texas as well until 10 o'clock tonight. We have a very unstable atmosphere right now. Anything that can get started can and will turn strong on us. In fact, we have that one that I just mentioned, severe thunderstorm warning now just south of Gatesville and parts of Coryell County. You can see a little bit of a hail core developing within this storm. This storm's been going through a process. It's gone up, it's gone down, it's gone up. Right now it's on the downswing, but it's still producing some fairly large hail, some gusty winds as well. This is in effect until 5:45. We're going to continue to watch the storm. It is moving to the east, so southern McLennan, northern Bell, that's where this storm is headed. As we take a look right now, kind of inside the storm, rain rates of about 1 3/4 inches per hour. Not a terribly high rain rate, but again, that hail size right now at 0.6. That is below severe limits. However, when this severe thunderstorm was issued right about 5 o'clock, it was producing 1-inch hail, $half sized hail, and it had gusts up to about 60 miles per hour. Like I said, on the downswing now, but we're going to wait for this storm potentially to continue to ramp up here over the next several minutes to the next hour, so keep that in mind. Where is it headed? Well, by about 5:40, The Grove, Jubilee Springs by 5:44, Moffett School by 5:47, Moody by 5:57, Troy just after 6 o'clock, so it's moving at about 35 miles per hour, a decent clip, and into Bruceville Eddy there by about 6:08. So that's the storm we're watching right now. We do have a little area of rain near Burnett. This one having a little bit more difficulty getting started here, but again, if it does continue to develop, it could blow up as we have very unstable air above us right now. So keep that in mind. It's not a lot to look at, and of course, as I say that, both storms do kind of continue to ramp down just a little bit. But again, we're not going to stop paying attention. They're taking their foot off the gas for now, but we're going to watch for redevelopment again as we head through the next several hours. Here's your futurecast for the rest of tonight. Again, it does show that we still have that potential for development as we head through the next couple of hours. Most of it, though, will come to an end as we head towards those darker hours, 9:30, 10 o'clock into the overnight hours. Our particular, the particular model I'm using right now does want to bring a little bit more redevelopment well east of the area later on tonight. Could push a little bit of an outflow boundary into parts of the I-45 corridor, but again, we're more concerned with the next 2 to 3 hours here across central Texas. Other than that, the big story for today up until these storms started kicking off was the heat, of course. We hit pretty close to 90, 89 out there right now. It's the feels like temperature that really hits you in the feels. That 102 is what it feels like with that relative humidity reading at about 67%. Of course, still moisture being pumped in from the Gulf. Southeast winds breezy at about 13 miles per hour right now. For the rest of the night, again, it's not going to get terribly cool by tomorrow morning. Too much humidity in the air for that. So we'll be in the low to mid 70s by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Won't be as warm tomorrow. Looking for the mid 80s across the area rather than the upper 90s to near 90. Now, the reason for that, we are watching a cold front for tomorrow, and this one, like I said last night, this one's going to stick. It's going to move through during the day tomorrow. As it comes through, we're watching yet another chance for strong to severe thunderstorms as the front moves through. Again, same sort of time period, 3 to 4, up to about 7 or 8 o'clock at night as the cold front shoots through. As the cold front continues to move through, it will bring storm chances to an end as we head towards the late night hours, and as we head into Friday, should be a very nice day. But before we get there, for tomorrow afternoon, as the front comes through, I'm saying this slowly so you'll pay attention. Tonight we had a slight risk. Tomorrow we are under a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for severe weather. So the risk for severe weather tomorrow is actually better than it was today. So make sure that you're paying attention and staying weather aware as we head through your Thursday afternoon as well. That cold front, as I mentioned, will wipe us out in terms of rain chances. It's also going to wipe us out in terms of temperatures. We go from the 80s tomorrow into the 70s. As we head into your Mother's Day weekend. Friday and Saturday should stay pretty dry for us. We will bring thunderstorm and rain chances back into the forecast for Sunday. Not expecting severe weather there, but we could see that as we head into next week.
And should any of those watches turn into a warning tonight for a tornado, you'll keep us weather aware?
Of course.
Okay, you'll be jumping on. Thank you very much, Matt.